Hi folks, I'm walking along the famous philosopher's path in Heidelberg, Germany, and this tree here is the Staghorn Sumach. And here we have the fruit of the Staghorn Sumach. Why is it called Staghorn Sumach? Well, as you can see, it has a lot of thick branches, not too many small thin branches like a lot of other shrubs and trees around here. Also the branches are slightly pubescent, so yeah, they remind you a lot of some stags or elk's antlers. Those are the fruit of the Staghorn Sumach, growing here in a place with a beautiful view over Heidelberg. But aren't we making videos about edible fruit? Does this really look edible? Well, most people like to have some sort of sourness in a lot of their dishes. Like if you live in some tropical climate where you have nice sour fruit all year round, you can put basically all those nice tropical fruit in your curries and stews and whatever. If you live in a more temperate climate, like let's say Germany, you will not have sour fruit for cooking all year round. In such areas, people tend to prepare vinegar, which, well, you also need some ripe fruit for that. And then you basically prepare the vinegar and you can store it over months in a glass or ceramic or whatever jar. But what happens if you are on the move, if you are on the trail in the forest? There are no ripe fruit all year round. Carrying around vinegar is also quite difficult, especially in large amounts over a long period. Wouldn't it be nice if there was something like instant vinegar? Some dry powder you can just mix with water to get vinegar. Wouldn't it be even nicer if this grew for free in the forest? And wouldn't it even be nicer if it was not seasonal but available all year round? Yeah, that would be basically perfect. Well, introducing the fruit of the Staghorn Sumach. Now it's spring. This fruit has been hanging on the tree for about half a year or more now. And it still looks pretty fresh. So, seems to be a fruit that's not seasonal. What does it look like? Like a lot of tiny hairy hedgehogs. Like nothing I would put in my mouth. Actually, this tree is called vinegar tree in German, and for decades I knew it was called vinegar tree, and I never ever thought about trying it until my little son explained to me, yeah, you can use the vinegar tree like vinegar. So let's try a couple of those hairy, spiny, hedgehog-like fruit. They taste exactly like vitamin C, like ascorbic acid. I must confess the taste is a little bit weak now after the ripe fruit has been hanging on the tree for half a year. Let's try some more. I mean, you taste this taste immediately, which means that the sour substance in those sumac fruit is soluble in water. So rain has been raining on this sumac fruit for half a year after it got ripe, and still it retains some sourness. It's still fully usable. You will have to use a little bit more than you would need in autumn because a lot of the sourness has been leached out, but still the fruit looks alive, the fruit looks fresh. The fruit is totally usable. The taste is still there. Well, if you don't mind the hairiness, you could basically eat it, yeah, out of hand or mix it in your food. If you do mind the hairiness, I would suggest maybe put it in a glass of water and then stain it through a filter, and you'll get some sour water to use for your cooking, or you could drink it or whatever. But this is like instant vinegar or instant vitamin C, growing in the forests, mostly in eastern North America, growing in a lot of parks and gardens all throughout Europe. Yep, it tastes nice, it's free, it's not seasonal. What more do you want? Well, folks, this was the Staghorn Sumach fruit on the beautiful Philosopher's Park in Germany. Stay tuned for more fruit videos from the parks and gardens of Germany. And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.